So these are the Leifheit or Leifheit wall-mounted roll holders. These are really good for the kitchen. Actually, my wife recommended it because they hold several stuff like paper, tin foil, and normal foil. Yeah. So you can basically mount it on the wall with screws. Everything you get inside. The actually owner of this, I ordered a second one so I can show you how it looks like mounted. So you have your transparent side, your tin foil, aluminium foil. You just place it inside here, and these just stack up one up on another, and you can just open them like this. And the bottom side, is on the other side. Just a second. This goes on the bottom like this somehow. Yeah. Yeah. Like this. And here you can put your towels in. You also get some mounting screws. And you also get like a manual on how to mount it, how everything works. And this is what it looks like mounted. As you can see, you have your paper towel, your tin foil, aluminium foil, and your transparent foil. You can basically just open it and change it whenever it's empty. So this is how you cut it. This is the cutting mechanism. You just basically take a piece out like this. Like so. It's a bit hard with one hand, but I can show you as well. And this is how you cut it. So you go over it once and it's cut. Yeah, I didn't do it right, but you have to press a bit and it cuts really good. So this is basically a tin foil cut, and this is what it looks like.